Which I wish I can turn the hands of time. I want my wife back. I really, really want my wife back. Can't you see I am just useless in this place without my wife? Just a piece of shit.
You lost it? You lost it the very moment you refused to heed my advice. All you should be talking about now is to go get your sister's body from the police and bury her. Because you really have to move on.
What you don't understand. How can I live with the hurt? But she is hurting me. That another man somewhere will raise my child. A child that I've nurtured all my life. A child you called your own. And another man somewhere will just come and start raising your child as his own.
Could this be the end? Or the beginning of the end? Could this be? Could this be the end? Or the
It's a reality. It's a reality before us. So you have to embrace it.
Which you still don't understand. Buchi, take me to my wife. I am ready to cut my veins open and make her to believe that I'm really sorry. Really sorry. But you have some drinks so you understand what I mean. Lighten up your soul so you understand me perfectly.
Mr. Stubborn Child, you have ears but refuse to hear. You know the fear. Hey, you don't even care. War is what you want to. Child, I can't choro. You have been advised, but you no agree. You refuse to see. Say, now trouble you they find oh. Very soon you go get them double. Oh. Okwaru poko buru. Auntie Chiria. Your blood in the hot like fire. The hot, you know they tire. Do they feel like lion? Hey!
Adanaya, please. Listen. And make sure you avoid anything that will bring you and Ken to fight or anything. I just want you to be on your own and take care of your son.
It's okay, Papa.
Good.
I promise there's not going to be any issues. And I'm not going to fight him again, no matter how hard he pushes me.
That's my daughter.
Good. When you get home, try and get in touch with your brother. Since he traveled, he has not called us.
Exactly.
I'm becoming worried, please.
It's fine, Mom. I'll do just that.
Okay. So, Johnny O?
Bye.
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 Oh, no. Don't worry, it's heavy. I'll carry it.
Please, so be careful. Yeah?
Oh.
Bye bye. Kelechi, don't forget to. Okay. Bye bye. Yes, she's up.
I wanted to kill our daughter for us.
For nothing.
As you go round, causing commotion. Very soon you go regret your action. Your body they hot like fire, like fire. Your temper they hot, you know they tire. You they feel like lion. I go. Your heart strong like iron. No forget the say. No forget the
Papa, I am sorry. Papa, please forgive me. Oh? Pikobohalum, from your heart, please. I don't know what I was doing. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm so sorry for everything I've done to you, for all the pain and all the trauma I've caused you. Please. Please, Papa, please. I am your son.
No forget to say.
Papa church again now. Why alone now?
Must go down. You they wrong kitty. They wrong kata. They jump up and down like a mother. They look for trouble, oh. Chai, they make it trouble, oh. Onyen so go, or choke, oh. Very soon, oh. He gave up as you go round.
It's obvious Bella does not want to give me my money. The one I will not take from her is when I notice that the visa thing is a scam. Honestly, I will kill her. I must kill her if I find out that thing. Hi!
My friend, who are you? And what are you doing here?
Good afternoon. Good evening. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. Who are you and what are you doing here?
Oh, okay. I'm Bella's fiance. Yes. Yeah, she traveled to the village.
Traveled to the village?
Yes.
Okay. But this is a stupid answer. My friend, pack your things and leave here so that the new tenant can move in.
No, Bella can't do this to me. No, it's like there is a mix-up here, sir. She can't. I am her fiance. She can't leave here just like that.
Do you want me to send my boss to beat you up before you leave here? Don't try me. Don't ever try me. I'm coming.
Bella. Hi! What have I done to myself? Eh? Where do I go from now? Where do I go to? Should I go back to my house? What will I tell my parents? What happened to the money? Eh? That Anna is dead. Don't tell me it's true. Don't tell me it's true. Don't tell me it's true, Dad.
Ghana, where are you going?
Let me forget about where I'm coming from. What I heard is better than a lie. Just tell me it's not. How did it happen? Was it an accident?
What are you talking about, for God's sake?
Daddy, you mean nobody told you anything about Sister Anne? What are you saying?
Nobody told us anything about her. What happened to her?
Oh. How do I say this? How do I say this?
Open your mouth and speak. You're getting me scared already. What is it?
Oh, you won't understand. Someone told me that Sister Anne has...
Has what?
Sister Anne is dead.
Huh? Go and bring water. Go and bring some water for you. What are you
Mom! Mom, please wake up. Mom, please.
Wake up what?
Please. Mom, please. Mom.
What happened to her?
I don't know. The person did not tell me what happened to her.
Then you will suffer. You will suffer. You will suffer. You will suffer again. You told me you were going to kill her. And now you have done that again. You will suffer. You will suffer. My only girl child. My only hope.
Wait, Mom. Are you saying that her husband touched her?
He did. He said so. He has been tormenting my daughter over the week and now he has succeeded. And you will suffer.
Ken threatened to kill my sister. And finally, he did it. No! I won't watch that happen. No, I won't!
Benna, do not step out of this compound.
That I will leave this compound. Anything that will happen, let it happen. I want to go and teach that useless man a lesson.
And I said no! You might end up committing murder.
Let me end up committing murder! I need to teach him a lesson. Nothing will stop me from it.
Okay, you suffer.
You shouldn't have said that.
And you will suffer. You will suffer. And you will suffer. Mark my words. My only hope, Ken. Ken. Ah.
God, please wake me up from
Ken!
this dream, please.
Ken! Ken! What happened to my sister? Start talking now. What happened to her? Ken! Okay, you try to go. Try it again. You will know who I am. Look at you. Come on, get out. Ken! 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 Who is here? Ken! 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 Hey!
Papa?
Ah!
Papa?
What happened to him?
Ken!
Papa, what happened to him? I don't know. I just came in now and saw him like this. Ken! Well, let's take him. Let's take him to the hospital. Come. Carry. Yes. Oh, come and stand here again. Useless man. I will continue hunting you till your life becomes more useless. You don't know who I am. What the hell? Huh? How can you? You killed my only sister. My sister. Rubbish.
When did this happen?
Daddy, I have told you. I don't know. I just heard it from a friend last night.
Last night? That can be possible. She sent me a text this morning saying that she is fine where she is. So if you are saying she died last night, I doubt it.
Then call her on the phone.
My daughter's phone is switched off. No, Anne cannot die. She is not dead.
Let us go and look for her.
I say relax. Like I said she is fine.
Okay.
Where do I start from at this age? Ken, you have killed me. Kennedy, now I want you to tell me, what exactly did Anne do that prompted your decision to end this marriage? Tell me.
Papa, she has been a thorn on my flesh. I want peace of mind. And she cannot give me the kind of peace I want.
Papa, he's lying, no? He's lying. His anger is that Anne sold her land. Her own land, though. And give the brother the money to travel to Bodoyibo.
You see that devil inside of you that is beating the drum of shame. You take it nowhere. Anne is not going to leave this house. You heard that? Go?
I've heard.
Good. And like I said, you will stay put. You're not going anywhere. Okay?
Thank you, Papa.
Ego. Come and sit down.
Okay, Papa. You are not going anywhere, okay?
Oh, what have I done? I should have forgiven him.
Papa, I am sorry. Papa, please forgive me. Oh? Pikobo, from your heart, please. I don't know what I was doing. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm so sorry for everything I've done to you, for all the pain and all the trauma I've caused you. Please. Please, Papa, please. I'm your son. Papa? Papa, church ka ị na-aga ha. Gbaalụ m na biko.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my darling. I thought I would never see you again. Someone said you were shot by the police. I almost killed myself before I was told that it was a case of mistaken identity.
Yes, as you can see, I'm alive.
God, thank God. Oh God, I'm so glad you're back.
I'm so happy to see you.
Oh God.
You know, the thing is, it's quite unfortunate that that terrible thing had to happen to Ego. I can't mourn her enough.
So sad. It's really sad.
But nevertheless,
Looking so good. I'm happy to see you. Oh, finally, I get to hold you again. I get to see you.
I know. Come on. What is it? John, are you okay?
Auntie Joanne.
What is it? John, are you good?
I guess it's just the excitement. I've been feeling really dizzy of late.
No. John, you need to take care of your health. It's all about job for you. You should see a doctor.
I will. But I'm excited to see you. When did you come back? Where have you been? How have you been?
Well, I came back last week. We've been squatting. We're good.
Why are you still standing? Sit, young man. Oh my God. Oh God. I'm really happy of that. Oh no.
Joanne, are you okay?
What?
I said, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Would you like some water? Anything?
No. This is fine.
Okay.
You know you can talk to me about anything. What is it?
I'm fine. You have nothing to... Okay, it's just that I when I learned you were dead, it kind of affected me, and I'm just not over it yet.
I'm so sorry. Sorry. You know what? We would be spending the night with you. How about that?
Yes. In fact, yes, I've missed you, so now I feel better.
What you have to say? We're spending the night with Auntie Joanne.
Okay. Good. It's always good to have you. You know that.
So you don't want to join us? You can eat with us.
No, that's for you. Don't worry about me.
My son, you are here. We need to talk.
Okay, Dad.
Your sister said you're supposed to be in Canada. What happened?
No, she told you. That I tried everything. It seems someone is projecting evil against my life.
I don't understand.
What I'm trying to say is that it didn't work. Everything they gave to me was fake.
So, what you are telling me now is that all the money that your sister invested on your travel is a waste. Or if you not,
that I tried. It wasn't easy for me. Honestly. I think he's spiritual. That I need prayers. Prayers.
I need prayers. prayers. Anne told me she gave you some money to keep. Where is it?
Hi, that is what I'm talking about. The devil hates me.
What brings the devil into this discussion now? Are you saying that the devil took away the money from you, or the money is fake?
That everything is gone. Everything is gone. I was duped.
What? Now listen to me. If you don't bring back that money tomorrow, count yourself out of this family. You will be disowned. You will cease to be my son. Read my lips.
Hello. I'm not fine. Where can I meet you? We need to talk. You're out of town? No. It's not something I can say over the phone. Oh, okay. Fine. I'm pregnant. Did you hear me? I said I'm pregnant. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Can we talk about it?
About what?
Everything. About what is eating you up. Is anyone hurting you?
No, it's not something bad. I'm fine. Everything is fine.
Who is responsible?
You noticed.
Oh. No. Don't do this. It's okay. It's fine. Alright? Everything is going to be alright. You know, life is full of ups and downs. You remember my story with Ken?
Oi, we bad cool cats. Timmy J, Yaga, Zion, Jeezy, oh yeah, living large. Like your wine for me, baby, you see me, I like that. Bring my wine, go down low. I like your backside. Come again, come know the dummy. You see me, I feel am. My bag of wine is for me. So now because disaster.
Music. Balancing in my car, playing music. Meaning what?
Oh, madam, sorry. I didn't even know it's your car. Sorry.
What nonsense? What gave you the infantry? Where's the manager? Manager!
I'm sorry about that.
Manager!
Madam, you cannot do that. Sorry about that.
Who is this little boy sitting in my car playing music without respect? I brought my car here to be washed, not for him to play music in my car.
Madam, I've said I'm sorry, just that I have passion for music, okay?
That's why you guys go around stealing from people's cars. Thieves!
Please, madam, you not do it again.
Nonsense! I brought my car here and you had the effort to sit in it and play music.
I have this passion for music.
Who is the madam?
I'm sorry.
Nonsense! How much is the money?
You can forget about the money. It's okay. Just go with the money.
That's your money. If you try this next time, what I'll do to you, you won't like it. My keys. Let me have my car key. Can you afford one? Little boy.
See, out of anger, you've forgotten your ATM card. Yeah?
Of course. Yeah. I've done it before. I don't know what's wrong with my network. I'll just try the debit card. I'm gonna use the debit card to try it. Oh yeah, sure it's going to work. Oh my goodness. Please. I can't find my card. What's going on? What's all this now? What's going on? What is it? Wait, let me call you back. Hold on. What happened? Hey. If this online boy see my ATM, I am finished.
What? Where did you leave it?
I used it at the town gallery before I went to pick my car from the car wash.
Okay, did you check your car?
Oh my goodness, it's not in my car. I put it in my handbag. I'm very sure. I left it in here.
Okay. Just okay.
Oh.
Calm down. There's something you can do. Pick up your phone, call the customer service, and have it blocked.
True. Yeah. Yes, because if this online boy see my debit card, I am finished. I have a lot of money in there.
Calm down. Make sure you follow all the instructions. Calm down.
It didn't take forever to pick it. That's so wrong. I need them to pick it right away. They're not picking. I'm gonna lie. Good morning.
Good morning, madam.
Yes, please. Do you see any debit card?
No, I did not. Do you misplace it?
Yes. I used it before coming to this place. So I'm sure I don't know. I feel like...
I have to quickly rush to the bank and block it.
Today is Saturday.
You can use the code and block it.
Do you know the code?
No, I did not. But my boy knows. Karen!
Ah, manager, I'm not touching her cow. I'm not touching it too. I beg.
There's a situation here.
What?
She lost her debit card. So and I want you to help her for a code to block the account.
Is it an access ATM card?
Yes, yes. Did you see it?
Hold on.
Oh my goodness, that's so bad. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Check if your money is intact, oh. Check your money. Before you call me a thief again. Check your money.
You are lucky.
Thank you. Hold on. You can have this. It's a token of my appreciation.
Thank you so much. I don't think I need it.
Like,
I would have dealt with you with your ATM card if I need the money. I'll just go there and finish all your money.
I know. If you were a bad boy, you would have taken all my money. Of course, I know that. Look, I'm sorry about the way I spoke to you yesterday. I'm sorry about the ad bust. I was upset already because someone annoyed me at the site. But I'm sorry about that. Please have this.
I said I don't need it. Thank you.
I know you need it. You have needs. Take it.
Madam, I would have gone to ATM and finished all your money. Okay? So I don't need it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, Anne.
Can you quit acting like a lesbian? Where are you headed?
I'm going to Pipeline. Have a nice day.
Pipeline?
Yes?
Is that where you come from every day?
Yes. Any problem?
Oh, that's pretty far. Okay, let me drop you.
Don't bother yourself. I can walk. Okay? Don't just worry yourself. Thank you.
No, you don't have to stress. I can drop you. Okay, please.
Let me tell you the truth. I don't like you. Yes, I don't like women that shout at men. I don't like you. Uh-huh.
Good morning, madam.
Yes, good morning. Please, I'm looking for that boy.
He did not come today. I heard that my father is sick, so he went to the village.
Oh, that's so sad. Where is he from?
I don't know, but it's not far from the town.
Hey, what is that? Please, I need your help.
Okay.
Can I see you aside, please? Go. Manager, please, I need 10K to go save my father's life. My father is dying now. Biko, I need 10K.
But I gave you 10,000 last month.
I know.
And you haven't paid back.
I know. Just help me. Maybe you take it from my salary. Oh, Biko.
I can't help you.
Manager. Take it from my salary, please.
Sorry for the interruption. Excuse me. What's the problem?
The father is sick and he needs some money to take his father to the hospital.
Oh, sorry about that. How much are we talking about?
It's just 10K. 10,000 naira. Manager, no. Hey, God.
This is 50,000 naira. Use it and take your father to a good hospital. Alright?
Hey, thank you so much. May God bless you.
It's nothing.
Manager, give me.
So, sorry. Where are you from?
Amafo.
Amafo?
Yes, Imebo.
That is my town. Oh my goodness, what a small world.
Amafo.
Yes.
Wow.
What's your father's name?
Ononuju.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Do you know him?
Oh, no. But I'll ask my father. Okay, just rush.
Auntie Amafo. You.
Good afternoon, ma.
Yes, afternoon, please. I'm looking for someone.
Auntie, who are you looking for?
He's the... Yes, he's the son of one Mr. Ononuju. He works in a car wash.
Ken.
Yes, that's his name.
Ken, that's my brother. Is there any problem?
Oh, no problem. I just want to see him.
He's in the hospital with my father.
Okay, can you take me there, please?
Sure. Okay.
He's coming.
Hello? Juliet? Hey, yes, I'm in the hospital. I'm so happy. A lady came from the city looking for my brother. She paid for the operation. In fact, she cleared all the bills. I'm so happy. Yes. God bless her for me. Amen. I'm so happy. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay? I'll talk to you. Bye-bye. Hey, God, thank you. God, thank you.
My daughter, what can I say? Thank you very much for saving my life. I mean, it is not easy in this very hard economy for somebody to bring out such a huge amount of money just to save someone's life. May your pocket never run dry.
Amen. Ken, I suggest you change your line of business and start up something you think will be lucrative. I'll give you some money.
You've actually done enough already. Thank you.
It's nothing. I mean, God has blessed me, so I have to bless others. I'd give you 500,000 naira. And that's just for a startup. Within the month, I will still add up something for you.
Oh.
Hi. My daughter.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma.
Look, you are a very good woman. You are very nice. My God will continue to bless you.
Amen.
Hey.
Ego.
Auntie.
You'd have to go back to school. Get a degree, and then I'll help you get a job. Don't worry, I'll sponsor you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Auntie. May God increase your wealth.
Amen.
Okay, I'd have to be on my way. I need to see my father before getting back to work.
It's all right. When you get home, tell your father that Ononuju sends his regards. Okay?
Here.
All right.
Ken, call me tomorrow.
I'll do that. Sharp.
All right.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey.
This auntie is a good person.
What are you looking at? Where did you say you met her?
Hi. At our car wash show. She used to come and wash her car there.
Hey, this woman is nice, oh.
Very nice.
Look, now, what you need to do now is to sit down and plan properly. Decide on the line of business you want to do. You know, this kind of opportunity is rare. It comes once in a lifetime, okay?
I think I'll start with foodstuffs first. I'll start in the street.
Okay.
Yes, at least 500,000 can go a long way.
That is big money, oh. Hey, 500,000.
As for me, I'll go and dust my WAEC results and also buy my JAM form. At least it's not too late to go back to the university.
Come on, my daughter. Nothing is ever too late in this life. Okay?
Okay, Papa.
I said it. I said God will remember us.
Yes.
And now God has remembered us.
I'm so happy. So finally, I'm going back to school.
Oh, yeah?
Papa, let me go and get you your food.
Forget about food, I'll eat later. This news is enough food for me. In fact, my stomach is filled now. My son, congratulations. Check me.
Brother. Well, what is in your mind? This is why you are laughing.
The way you were looking at
I want to thank you for everything you've done for me, you know, for changing my life. You know, my business is really doing well. I think I need to rent another shop.
I'm so happy for you. You're a very hardworking man. And if you continue this way, you will be bigger than you can ever imagine.
Thank you. Thank you so much. My sister sent her regards. And I think her matric should be on Saturday.
Oh, that's good. We'll go and make her happy.
Okay. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate. I have to go back to the shop now.
Well, I actually called you here because I want us to spend time together and talk about us.
you want us to talk about us?
Yes.
I want us to talk about us.
You know, I don't want it to look as if I'm being too forward, you know. Hey, this thing has been on my mind though. Hey. Sorry about that.
At the end, what did I get? Mental torture, hatred, lies. Men are very, very wicked. They are wicked because we've made them feel that we are nothing without them.
It's really sad. So sad.
So, I want you to take it easy on yourself. Be fine. Have your baby. And take care of your child yourself. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Joanne, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. What is going on here? Mom. Penwell. Dad. What's going on?
Yeah, in here, talk to your sister.
Penwell. What's going on? When did you come back?
Sister, I'm sorry.
Sorry about what? Were you deported?
Deported from where? He has never left this country. He has been with his girlfriend all this while.
Chimo.
Now see deported.
Which girlfriend?
Joanna.
Penwell. Where is my money?
Oh, I have asked him about this money severally, but he could not give me a tangible answer. That is why I called the vigilante group to tie him like this. You can call the police to pick him. Maybe when he's there, he will tell us what he did with your money. Mpamam.
My heart is beating so fast.
Just look at it.
Penwell, where is my car? Where is the money you made from selling my land?
Hi.